Good morning, guys. Bago po tayo sa YouTube and this is my first ever vlog. Now, this first vlog is special for me since this is my first purchase of Seiko watch. And this watch is, ito yung successor nung discontinued na SKX model. So this model is SRPD51K1. So this is the brand new Seiko 5 sports watch, blue dial. So this is just a quick review, no, about the watch. So and why I purchased this watch. First, before, I'm not a fan of Seiko watch, but as time goes by, nakikita ko yung ano niya, yung value niya, and first, value for money. Kasi nga, it's a Japanese made watch since 1881, and alam naman natin na sobrang reliable kapag Japanese brand and Japanese maker. So before, yung mga watches na meron ako is more of Swiss brand. So this is my first time having a Japanese brand watch. So I purchased this watch in Glorieta, Makati, specifically at Tokyo. So luckily I got this watch na ano siya, kaka-deliver lang on that day. And kasi nga most Seiko watch only have a one piece per store. And nagtanong din ako sa ibang stores and ano siya, walang stock, and next year pa madedeliver even sa mga authorized or even sa mga Seiko stores mismo. So and I even got this watch on a discounted price. And basic ano lang naman, basic yung package niya. It comes with a box. Ito yung lalagyan ng watch, and ito yung mismong box niya, and instruction manual, and guarantee booklet, and a guarantee card. So yung guarantee niya is good for 1 year yung warranty. Yung mechanism sa loob ng watch, anything na just in case lang na within a year mag-malfunction siya, you can bring it to any Seiko service center. So for sure naman, I mean, kung maalaga naman tayo sa mga relo natin, I'm sure wala magiging problem. But just in case lang na magkaroon ng may mga hindi inaasahang pangyayari sa relo, pwede natin siyang dalhin doon. So the SRP for this watch is 18,000 pesos. But I got it, yun nga, 20% discount yung meron sila. So that's around 14,400 ko siya nabili. So yun, ano lang, tsambahan lang din sa mga discount. Kasi nung nakakita din ako sa Landmark, unfortunately wala silang discount. So they're selling it in a full price, no? So there, as you can see, no, wala na siya dito sa box. I'm already wearing it. There. So it's perfectly fit on my wrist. Um, na ano na siya, apat na links yung nabawas sa akin. So, um, fit na fit siya. Um, Pros on this watch is I really like the dial, no? Kasi it comes with sunburst dial, blue dial. So kapag tinatapat natin siya sa sunlight, no? I don't know if you can see it. Nagkakaroon siya ng burst effect, sunburst effect. So, yon. And then consistent yung time niya. So right now it's around 10:39 a.m. So ano naman, precise naman yung time niya. Comparing it to to your mobile phone na time, ganon. So ano naman siya, it's consistent. And then siguro for me, no, minor improvement lang naman to about the watch. I notice lang na kapag let's say magpapalit na ng time or the following day mag to 12 a.m. na, mga siguro mga past 11 before 12 a.m. Nag-aano na siya, nag-a-adjust na yung time, parang umaangat na siya yung yung ano niya, yung date, no? So tapos pag patak mismo ng 12 a.m. Minsan on the spot nagpapalit na siya, and sometimes mga past 12 na dun pa lang siya nagpapalit. And yung day naman pag patak ng 1 a.m. so nagpapalit siya into the parang Tagalog day or Spanish day, and pagtungtong ng 4 a.m. doon lang siya nagpapalit nung day mismo. I don't know what's the reason of Seiko kung bakit ganun siya. Maybe there's a reason behind it. I'm not sure. But for me siguro for future date watch, sana magawa ng paraan maging precise, like pagpatak ng 12 a.m. on the following day, sana precise siyang nagpapalit talaga nung time and the day. I think yun lang naman yung improvement for me na need baguhin ni Seiko. But other than that, it's really a good watch. I highly recommend you guys to to take a look at it and maybe have it purchase or have it in your collection din. Since ano siya it's a sports watch and can be a daily use. You can wear it on any occasion din. Formal, semi-formal, casual, or even if you're going out lang for a grocery. It's really perfect for your daily watch, no? There. So I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this first vlog of mine, and I'm hoping to upload more soon. Kindly like and subscribe my YouTube channel and support me on this journey. Thank you. Have a good day.